Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. In today's lecture, we will learn about parameter element. In previous video, we have learned a little bit about element. Here in this video, we will learn in detail about element. So let's start with the definition. A parameter consists of one kind of atoms or same kind of atoms is called element. For example, carbon, sodium, boron, etc. Elements are represented by their symbols. For example, carbon represented by C. So C is the symbol for carbon. Similarly, for sodium we write Na, that from its Latin name. And for boron we have B. There are a total of 118 elements discovered so far. Mean we have up till now total elements 118, out of which 92 are from natural sources and man-made or artificial elements are 26 in number. These 118 elements are divided into three categories based on their properties. These categories are named as metal. The majority of elements consist of metals that are 95 in number. Second category are non-metals, which are 17 in number. And the third and last category of elements are metal-Metalloids, which are 6 in number. These three makes a total of 118. Now these categories are discussed in detail. So let's start with metals. Metals have some properties which distinguish them from other elements. For example, metals are conductors. They conduct heat and electricity. They are sonorous, mean they produce sound when struck with something. Similarly, they are lustrous, mean they are shiny. Shiny surfaces they have. And metals are ductile. And the last, metal are malleable. Examples of metal are sodium, represented by its symbol Na, from natrium. Similarly, iron, represented by ferrum, Fe, and gold, which is represented by AU, etc. Dear viewers, come to the second category of element, that are non-metals. So non-metals are known by their properties. They are non-conductors. They are unable to conduct heat or electricity. Second, they are non-lustrous. They have no shine. Non-sonorous, unable to produce any sound when struck with something. They are non-ductile, meaning non-malleable. We are unable to draw them into wires or press them into sheets. These properties distinguish non-metals from metals and metallides. Examples of non-metals are carbon, the most important and well-known non-metal. Similarly, we have chlorine in gaseous state and oxygen in gaseous state. These are represented by C for carbon, Cl for chlorine, and O for oxygen. Now we reach to the third category of elements, that are metallides. So metallides are category of elements having properties in between metals and non-metals. These elements are called metallides. Some of the properties of metallides will be like that of metals, and some of properties will represent non-metals. So examples of these elements are boron, etc. This is a brief discussion about elements. Hope you will have learned something about elements. Thank you for watching.